27b. V'dilma b'shma davu achasim. Maybe Ruvain signed the get, but maybe he signed. Remember, there were two Gittim side by side. Maybe he signed in the name of the father. Or says no. Lo shavik in shmei v'chasim shma davua. Person's not going to not write his name and write his father's name. Maybe Dilma Simona Shavia, but maybe he's going to write his father's name through Simoni. What's this? The Harav Tsayer Kavra. Rav, instead of signing his name, he would draw a fish. Rav Chanina Charusa. He drew a palm tree. Rav Chizda Samech. Because Chizda has Samech in it. Rav Ushaya Ayin. Rabbi Ravun Tsayer Makusa. Is sail. The Gemara says, "Lochatze finish l'shavi l'shma davua simona." The son's not going to be chutzpahdik to write his father's name like a sign. Frank the Gemara l'skasher high. Let's make the first get kosher. Bishnei edim ivrim, the two edim that wrote their name in Hebrew. V'liskasher high b'shnei edim yavoni. Let the other get be kosher with the two Greek signatures. This not. In the next Mishnah, we're going to learn. Get shekosvu ivris. The get was written in Hebrew, but Edav Yavonis, but the witness is signed in Greek. Or Yavonis for Edav Ivris. The get was written in Greek, and the Edim signed in Hebrew, kosher. Since the second get was away in distance, Bishnei Shitin, at least 2 lines away, maybe low, because of the rule that if the Edim have written too far away from the text, it's not good. V'amar Chizkiah, imilu, if there was a space, but they filled up the space with other names, even of Bekroivim, even with names of relatives that normally are apostle edus kosher. We don't say that they have sick apostles. So Hatani Zeiri, in fact, Shneim Ksheri. The 2 gets are kosher. But our Tana Didon doesn't say this. What does he hold? Because Dilma Gundel is chasam. Maybe the Greek Edim sort of switched the words in their signature. And maybe they think they're signing on get number 1 and not get number 2. So the Mishnah said, Eid Echad Ivri. If there was one Hebrew witness, Beid Echad Yavani, and one signed in Greek, so it's puzzle. Frankly, more why? For this kosher high. Beid Echad Viri, Beid Echad Yavani. Because V'hai Beid Echad Ivri, Beid Echad Yavani, that's not. We learn in the Mishnah, Beid Echad Ivri, Beid Echad Yavani kosher. So why in our Mishnah is it not good? So again, Tani Zeiri, Shneim Ksheri. In a Chanami, it's kosher. Tamati done. Why did our Tana say no? Dilma Gundel is chasam, because maybe they switched it and maybe they thought they're signing on the first get, not the second get. And then you have Tlosa Echad, V'chad Echad. You have 3 on one and 1 on the other, and that's not going to be good. Mishnah. Shire makes us a get. The one who wrote the get didn't have enough room on the first page to write the whole thing. The Kosov of Daf Hashem, he wrote it on the other side. The Edim Ilmata, and the Edim are on the back page, kosher. But Im Chotzmu B'Rosh Daf, if they wrote on top of the page, or Min Atzad, on the side, or Min Achrav, Imayazeh get pashut. If it was not one of those folded gets, it's pasul. Now, Hiki Rosho Zeh, B'tzad Roshel Sir Zeh. 2 Gittin were written on one document. Va'edim be'emtza, the edim are in the middle between the two. Shneim psulim, both gets are pasul. Sofel shel zeh b'tzad sofel shel zeh. If the end of the get is even with the end of the other get, va'edim be'emtza. Esra edim nikrin imo. If the signatures that you can read along with one of the gets, kosher. Rosh shel zeh b'tzad sofel shel zeh. The head of this get is next to the end of the other one. Va'edim be'emtza. Esra edim nikrin b'sofo. If the 2 edim are at the end of the first get, kosher. Get shekosfo ivris. A get written in Hebrew. The aid of Yavonis, but the edim are Greek. Or was written in Yavonis, the aid of Ivris. Was written in Yavonis in Greek, and the witnesses are Hebrew. Or aid echad Ivri ve'ed echad Yavoni. One aid signs in Hebrew, the other aid signs in Greek. Oksav sofer. You have the writing of the scribe, the od aid, and him with another aid, kosher. All these cases are kosher. If a person wrote Ish Ploni aid, it doesn't say Ish Ploni ben, his father aid, it's kosher. And if he said, I am the son of Ruvain, ben Ish Ploni aid, also kosher. If he says Ish Ploni ben Ish Ploni, he didn't write aid, the low cost of aid, kosher. In Yerushalayim, they didn't write aid. They just wrote Ruvain ben Chai. Kosov Chanichoso, they wrote his nickname or his last name, meaning of the husband. The Chanichosa, or the family name or nickname of the bride, the wife, kosher. Now, we said if a get was written on 2 sides, it's kosher. Maybe we should be concerned that there are 2 different gets. V'yisramile. The zman dekama and the date of the first get, the edim de basra, and the get at the end of the second get, the guy is the gazi l'zman de basra, and he removed the date of the second get, and the edim de kamon got rid of the edim of the first one. And why are we concerned about that? It's going to be a forgery. Because there's room at the end of the first get, so it's clear that he didn't cut off the first get. But maybe he cut off the date of the second get. And the second get is like a continuation of the first get. So again, there was space at the end of the get. So we see clearly where the beginning of the get is and where the end of the get is. Okay, we'll stop here. Okay, tomorrow 6:45.